Well, hello guys, in this video we are gonna see a special feature of Kotlin, that is extension function. So without wasting time in theories and explaining what extension function is, let me just start programming and give you a practical idea of what an extension function is and how we can use it, right? So let me just first take an input from a user, print line, enter any number. So we are gonna take a variable of num will be readline to int. So first we are gonna handle if the value that user have entered is not null, so we have to make sure of that, otherwise our program cannot work. Obviously we cannot perform any action on null value. So let's just write if num is not equals to null, then we're gonna perform something, right? So basically what I want to do is I want to check if the number is even or odd. So we can straight away write the logic here in if condition itself, but instead of that I want to make an extension function of for this, right? So let's outside this main function, let's create an extension function. So fun, so we are dealing with integer, so we'll take an integer dot. Now we have to write name of our extension function. I'm gonna name it check number for even or odd, right? So and the return type of is this will be boolean, right? And here we'll write a logic of checking the number if the number is odd or even, but we are not passing any value uh, inside a parameter. So how actually we are gonna access this number inside this function? So the keyword for that is this, right? So let me just write an if condition. If this means the number that we have entered, this uh, modulo 2 equals to 0, which is the condition that we through which we check if the number is odd or even. If modulo 2 is 0, then the number is even, so we'll just return true. Else we want to return false. So okay, wait a minute, let me just show you another short way of writing the same logic. Here you can see the yellow underline. So basically we can write the same logic by using Southern method. This modulo 2 okay, I forgot return here. Return this modulo 2 equals to 0. This will return the same thing. So if you alt enter on this and do this, you find the same code here, right? So this is the same code, but for the sake of ease, to so you can understand the code better way, I'm gonna keep this as it is. And now we want to call this extension function, right? So we are gonna write if num is not equals to null, then we'll write another if condition. If we want if the number that we have entered is even, so we are gonna print that. So to condition for that is number that we are entering dot the name of our extension function, check number for odd or even. If this returns true, then we'll print the number dollar num is even, and I'm gonna copy this, and in the else block all right, the number is odd. So let's run our program and check how this works, right? So I run the file from this symbol here because running the project was taking a bit too long. So I just ran this file with coverage. So enter any number. I'm gonna enter 10, and the number 10 is even, that we can see, right? So this is how extension function works in Kotlin, and that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.